Okay, we're gonna do the plane tournament. It's okay, count and world record. Okay, the count. Ooh, that was his best one yet. It'll be interesting this time. And we have another not even close victory for the world record paper airplane. And out is the count. Okay. SS Explorer against Dragon Secret. These two are going to be interesting. Okay, Dragon Secret up first. Pretty good. Now, SS Explorer. Now, we're into the kitchen. It's straight on into the kitchen, and it did a stunt, which is plus a lot of points. It could win against the world record. I don't know. The Dragon Secret right now has a chance of rejoining, but not a very good one. Okay, Flying A plus and 100,000 for fire. One of these will probably rejoin. So, but it'll be interesting. Oh, we have a curver. That's going to be bad news for Flying A plus. And yep, that means that the Dragon Secret is back in the game, and so is 100,000 for fire. Okay, Dragon Secret, world record, be that. And then we'll have the 100,000 for fire versus the SS Explorer. But that will be next time, in the final episode of the plane tournament. Goodbye!